Oh shit, man. Fuck yeah. We've got 15 minutes till sunset. You see that guy? I don't know if that's a different site or not. No time to dawdle. Can we make it? That's the real question. Can we make it in time? I think we're 2/3 of the way. It's about to go down though. The bottom is just dipping now. Oh, she's 1/3 of the way gone. Fuck! What have you got to say about that? Sheesh! Woo! Come on, man. Gotta touch the spinny top. There we go. Mission complete, boys. That's so ill. Bang it. The sun looks so dope. Those colours, it's such a sick sunset because of the clouds right there. They're not the sort of clouds that block your sunset, they're the ones that enhance it. There's a fucking balloon over there. See, there's a balloon over there. In the maximum distance. Oh, gorgeous. Fucking stunning, mate. Okay, there's a guy outside looking up at me. I need to go. That guy's definitely looking at me. That guy's gone away now. Hopefully he didn't call the police. It did look like he was on the phone, but could have been being paranoid. Bye, son. We're down. No signs of police yet. I say we get a move on now. Hopefully dude didn't call the police. You kind of think that, you know, seeing as he lives right next to the site, if he was a narc, he'd at least tell security, you know? Well, actually, I'm not even sure if there is security on this site. Uh-oh. Who's that? That car wasn't there when I started. Oh my god. Got caught on top of the crane and managed to get away. Yes. I think there's a good chance the person in that white car, which by the way, the car was empty, just got his hazards on. I'm almost certain that's security because that guy was definitely phoning somebody about me. Booyah. Hope you enjoyed that view. Race against the sunset. See you soon.